Well, today I'm going to show you I made this picture frame, this lithograph, and I know it's going to be overwhelmed for the camera, so because it's so bright, and these cameras they don't do a very good job when there is too much light. So, and I cannot turn it down. They are not adjustable, but they look great. You just have to take my word for it. It really does look good. And I'm powering it up. I'm powering it with this little external power supply. Otherwise, it goes to the USB charger, and it's good enough. 1 amp will cover this real well. Well, how did I make this? Well, as you know, I have a Bambu printer, and on a website, bambulabs.com or bambus.com, something like that, they sell these kits. And this kit, maybe this one will show it better. There we go. As you can see, it's a Lithophane kit, okay? And you can purchase this for under $10, I think. I bought actually several of them. And what is inside? Inside the box are these 4 panels, okay? And they are, as you can see, they are the LEDs themselves. And then these 3 little cables that you connect them from one to the next one, so the power gets shared. Because this is not an RGB or programmable LED. This is just a one that's powered like this. I'm going to unplug this one and plug this one in, and it has a touch screen, touch on and off button right here. And as you can see, it's really bright. So I'm going to shut it off, but you get the idea. Then you go to the Bambu website, and you will go to where the Bambu parts are, which you can print, download and print. And even if you don't have a Bambu printer, by the way, you can download it. And you can also convert there at the Bambu website. You can also convert a normal picture into a lithograph, or lithophane, actually I should say. And so then you download a frame, and even though this comes with 4 panels, you don't have to use all 4. You can use 2 or 3 or all 4. It's up to you, or 1 as a matter of fact. The only thing you don't get is you don't get 4 of these. You just get 1 of these on and off switch, okay? But it has a universal, this little cable, those are identical, and the only thing you need is power, really. And it's really simple. You can get these headers, and then these plugins for these headers, and they are not very expensive. They are 2-pin headers. Plugins. And then it also, once you download the picture frame, you print several items. You'll print the outside frame, then you print, there's an inner frame, and then you print the lid, and then you also print this little foot. Let me show you the foot there. It's bigger on this camera. And the way you do that is you put it here and then twist it. Let's see, I had it on this one. And like that. And now it will stand by itself just using that little leg there. Okay? So the Lithophane is very easy to use at the Bambu site. You can also download their software, and then when you go and create the Lithophane, the picture out of some kind of a picture, it doesn't have to be black and white, it can be color. Then you go generate the Lithophane, and it'll ask you where you want to save it, and you save it. and export it as STL file. And also, once you are in the Bambu Studio, which is the Bambu software, okay, called Bambu Studio, and it's free to download even if you don't have the Bambu printer. And then what you do is you can go and in the interface where it's before you print it, you can actually size up the lithophane to the size that you want, because there are many different frames. There's frames for 2, 3, and 4, but it calculates it for 3, and then you have to resize it in Bambu Studio, okay? And there's a lot of step-by-step videos on how to do it, so if you want to learn, just go to YouTube and type in Bambu Studio for beginners, and they'll pretty much show you how to do it. Well, let's hope that this is going to be helpful to you, and give me thumbs up and have a fantastic day.